lovers, how are you guys doing today? So this is going to be a tutorial for my St. Patty's Day look, which obviously is not going to be up on St. Patty's because it's St. Patty's today and I just wanted to wear green and I just decided to go ahead and film it. I feel like this is actually super wearable colors, super soft green smoky eye. I'm here for it. I love how it came out. I wanted to mention really quickly, I have not done a Q&A in forever, so if you guys have any questions for me, please feel free to leave them down below and I will do a Q&A very soon. So that's all I have to say for the intro. If you guys want to see this look, then just keep watching. I already did my eyebrows, primed my eyelids, and set them with a powder. The first shade I'm going to be going in with is Colourpop Checkmate, which is like a nice minty green. And I'm just going to go ahead and run that through my crease upwards. So this is a really pretty shade, but it definitely has to be built up some. So I'm going to go into the Mermaid palette from KJ Beauty, and I'm going to take one of my favorite shades, which is this one right here called Kelp. It's just like an olive green. And I'm just going to take that into my crease just a little bit lower down. I'm going to go back in with a little bit more Team Captain on top. I just want these two to be really blended and really soft. And now for the lid, I'm going to take one of the Makeup Geek foiled eyeshadows, and this is the shade Jester. It's a super pretty green that I have yet to use, even though I got this forever ago. So I feel like today is the day. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over my lid. That looks really pretty, but I want it to be just a touch more intense, so I'm going to go in with my finger and just pat that on the lid. With my blending brush and just blend the edges. I'm going to go in with a fairly clean blending brush and just blend out the very top, no additional product. I'm going to take the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner and just add a quick little line, no wing. I'm going to go ahead and do my tight line with the NARS Via Veneto eyeliner and then do my lashes with the Ciate Triple Shot Mascara. I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation, concealer, powder off camera, and then I'll be back to finish up the rest. So I totally realized I was doing my bronzer and I forgot to come back on. So right now I am using the Adept Cosmetics Magnetic Face and Cheek palette, and I'm using this shade right here called Matte. It's actually pretty cool because it's a little bit dark for me, but it blends out so easily. Like, okay, I'm gonna add more just to show you guys. So yep, easy, that blends. Super nice. I've been using this shade a lot lately. Adding some to my 5 head. For blush today, I'm just going to take the e.l.f. Pressed Mineral blush in the shade Sweet Retreat, and I'm going to take just a very tiny amount. I want just the smallest amount of blush. I don't want to compete with the eyes at all. Okay, let's go ahead and do the lower lash line. I'm going to take the Makeup Geek Outer V brush and just go back into Kelp. I'm just going to run that on the outer half of the lower lash line. I'm also going to add this NYX eyeliner. This is the shade Golden Olive. So for the inner half of the lower lash line, I'm going to take this really cool color from Makeup Geek. This is called Pixie Dust. Just like a neon lime green. And then to highlight the inner corner and the brow bone, I'm going to go back to the Mermaid palette and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Moonbeam. Super pretty highlight shade. So I like to pack the inner corner highlight on really hard, and then I go way softer on the brow bone highlight. I just take whatever's left over on the brush and just put it on like the very arch of my brow. So for highlight today, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy Highlighter one of my faves at the moment. It's so beautiful. I have a full video on this if you guys are interested. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm just going to go in with my Peach Blossom lipstick from MAC. This is part of my project pan. Just like a really light sheer pink. And then on top, I'm going to apply the Marc Jacobs lip gloss in the shade Cream and Sugar. At least I almost forgot. I'm going to go ahead and take my mascara and do the lower lash line. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really love how it came out. I feel like even though it was super simple, I just have not done a like soft green smoky eye like ever on my channel. So it's just something different, and I've been feeling colors so much lately, so what better excuse than St. Patty's Day. So like I said in the intro, make sure you guys leave your questions down below, and I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.